So what is the difference really between investing and gambling? Some people seem to think that those are both the same thing. Well, they're definitely not. They're two different things, and the difference lies in the odds. So imagine you're playing a game of dice, okay, where you just have one six-sided dice and you're shooting dice over and over again. And the rules of the game are that if you score 1, 2, or 3 on the dice, you win $1. And if you score 4, 5, or 6 on the dice, you lose $1. So as you can imagine, if you kept playing this game over and over and over again, you would break even because the odds are 50-50. 50% chance you win $1, 50% chance you lose $1. And the more you play, the more you keep shooting dice, the closer your results are going to approach zero net gain. So if you played this game over and over, you would end up with the same amount of money. The net gain would be zero. Now there's no skill in rolling a dice. I mean, a monkey could do it. And in fact, several monkeys have. So let's talk about investing. If you look at the stock market and you were to add up the value of all the companies on the stock market, which would be a huge amount of money, you would see that every year that value goes up by about 2.5% approximately. This is because the stock market represents the economy, and the world economy is growing on average by about 2.5% per year. This is because every year there's more people, we produce more products, we create more energy, we produce more food, more services, etc. So wealth is being created, value is being created, and the stock market just represents that. So if you were to buy and sell stocks completely randomly, holding on to them for completely random amounts of time, once again, no skill involved, just like our dice game, and in fact a monkey could do this too, you would find that after 12 months of doing this, your average return would be a gain of 2.5%. So if you started off with $1,000 and you did this activity for 12 months, at the end of that 12 months, you would have, on average, $1,025. You went up by 2.5%. That's investing. The odds are in your favor. You may win some, you may lose some, but in the end, if you keep doing it, the odds are that you're going to make money. Okay, let's talk about gambling now. In gambling, the odds are against you. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, the odds are against you. Gambling is not based on the value creation of the economy. Gambling is based on the redistribution of money between the players. Almost like our dice game, if you change the rules. This time, if you said, if you score 1, 2, 3, or 4 on the dice, you lose $1, but you only win $1 if you score 5 or 6 on the dice, then as you can imagine, if you kept playing this game, you would lose money. The odds are against you. And a monkey could do this too. I would shake that monkey's hand. So that's the fundamental difference between gambling and investing. In investing, the odds are on your side. In gambling, the odds are always against you. Until next time, I'm Bill, the company's expert, wishing you happiness, success, and have yourself an amazing day.